Are you a fan of quiet weekends and cozy days at home? If you love taking it easy and are looking for a dog who feels the same way, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to show you the top 12 dog breeds that are perfect for those who love to relax. These dogs are champions at taking it easy and are great companions for anyone who enjoys a calm, laid-back lifestyle. So get comfy and let's find out which of these dogs might be your ideal lazy day friend. You're sure to discover the perfect furry partner for your chill days at home. Welcome back to Doggy Pedia, where we bring you all things dog-related. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel for your daily dose of dog-related content. As previously mentioned, today we'll talk about the top 12 laziest dog breeds for lounge lovers. So without much further ado, let's begin. 12. Shih Tzu. If your idea of a perfect day involves lounging on the sofa with a furry friend, then the Shih Tzu might just be your dream companion. Originating from royal Chinese lineage, these small, affectionate dogs are the epitome of a lap dog. They adore spending their days snuggled up beside their favorite human, making them ideal for those who love a relaxed lifestyle. With their long, flowing coats, Shih Tzus prefer staying cool indoors, often lounging on pillows or soft blankets. While they do enjoy short walks and playtime, they are not high-energy dogs. In fact, they're quite content with a few leisurely strolls and lots of cuddle time. Perfect for apartment living or anyone seeking a calm, gentle canine friend, the Shih Tzu is a true lover of leisure and comfort. 11. St. Bernard. St. Bernard, famous for its immense size and gentle nature, is a perfect match for those who love a relaxed, easygoing lifestyle. Despite their history as alpine rescue dogs, these giants are surprisingly laid back and love nothing more than lounging around the house. With their calm demeanor, they're content to sprawl out on a cool floor or lie by your feet while you read or watch TV. While they do need regular exercise to stay healthy, they are not overly energetic and are usually quite happy with moderate leisurely walks. Their large size means they need ample space to stretch out, but they're not demanding when it comes to play or exercise. For those who have the room and enjoy a more sedate pace of life, a St. Bernard can be a loving, serene, and cuddly addition to the family. Just be prepared for a whole lot of dog to love and a bit of drool. These gentle giants are known for their slobbery affection. 10. Newfoundland. Newfoundlands, often referred to as Newfies, are beloved for their sweet and gentle nature, making them fantastic companions for relaxation. These large dogs are like gentle giants, known for their calm demeanor and affectionate behavior. Newfoundlands tend to be good with families, including children, and they often become a source of comfort and security. A moderate exercise routine of around 30 minutes to an hour each day is generally sufficient for these gentle giants. While they have a substantial build, they don't require overly strenuous activities. Rather, they thrive on regular, low-impact exercises that contribute to their overall well-being. So if you're seeking a laid-back, affectionate buddy who also enjoys a good amount of daily exercise, Newfoundland might be the ideal addition to your household. 9. Pekin Geese. Pekin Geese, with their small stature and charming demeanor, have modest exercise needs. A daily routine of around 20 to 30 minutes of exercise is generally sufficient to keep them happy and healthy. This can include short walks, indoor play sessions, or interactive toys that engage their minds. Despite their historical association with palaces, modern Pekin Geese are adaptable and can thrive in a variety of living environments, including smaller spaces. 8. Pug. Pugs, those charming little dogs, are known for packing a ton of personality into their compact frames. Despite their smaller size, they boast a lively and entertaining demeanor that captures the hearts of their owners. Interestingly, these less active pups share some ancestral history with the Pekin Geese, highlighting their royal connections. When it comes to exercise, pugs have moderate needs, requiring around 30 minutes to an hour of daily activity. This can include short walks, playtime, and interactive games. Due to their brachycephalic faces, it's important not to overexert them in hot weather. Pug owners often find that these lovable companions are just as content lounging on the couch as they are engaging in playful antics, making them a great fit for those who appreciate a mix of activity and relaxation. 7. Great Dane. Great Danes, despite their impressive size, are often affectionately referred to as gentle giants due to their calm and laid-back nature. These majestic dogs have a reputation for being gentle and friendly, making them wonderful companions. While they may appear imposing, Great Danes are surprisingly adaptable to a more relaxed lifestyle. When it comes to exercise, they have moderate needs, requiring about 30 to 60 minutes of daily activity. However, it's essential to be mindful of their large size, especially during their growth period, to prevent any joint issues. And we're already halfway through this video. So far, do you already have a choice among the dog breeds we talked about? Let us know your thoughts later on, because for now, we have a few more dog breeds to discover. Who knows, you might change your mind later on. So without further ado, let's continue. 6. English Mastiff. English Mastiffs, often described as giant yet gentle, make for wonderful companions with their calm and easygoing demeanor. Despite their massive size, these dogs are surprisingly low energy and are content with a more relaxed lifestyle. When it comes to exercise, English Mastiffs have modest needs, generally requiring around 30 minutes to an hour of daily activity. Due to their large build, it's important to avoid excessive strenuous exercise, especially during their growth stages, to protect their joints. English Mastiffs thrive in comfortable indoor settings, making them ideal for families or individuals looking for a laid-back and affectionate giant to share their home with. 5. French Bulldog. French Bulldogs, or Frenchies, are beloved for their affectionate and easygoing nature. These small and charming dogs quickly win hearts with their friendly demeanor and distinctive bat-like ears. When it comes to exercise, Frenchies have moderate needs, typically requiring around 20 to 30 minutes of daily activity. Short walks, interactive play sessions, and some indoor games usually suffice to keep them happy and healthy. Like pugs, their brachycephalic structure means that it is essential to avoid strenuous exercise in extreme temperatures. 4. Chow Chow. Chow Chows, with their distinctive lion-like mane and unique blue-black tongue, are known for their mellow and independent nature. These medium-sized dogs have a calm demeanor and can be somewhat reserved, often forming strong bonds with their family. In terms of exercise, Chow Chows have moderate needs, requiring about 30 to 45 minutes of daily activity. While they enjoy spending time with their humans, Chow Chows also appreciate some independent downtime. Grooming is an important aspect of their care, particularly due to their thick double coat, and regular brushing helps maintain their coat health. Chow Chows make great companions for those who value a more independent yet affectionate canine friend in their home. 3. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. Cavalier King Charles Spaniels are cherished for their affectionate nature and love for spending quality time with their owners. These little companions often find joy in cozying up on the couch, making them excellent indoor pets. In terms of exercise, Cavaliers have moderate needs, typically requiring around 30 to 40 minutes of daily activity. This can include short walks, playtime, and interactive games to keep them physically and mentally stimulated. Due to their sociable personality, they thrive on human interaction, making them wonderful companions for families or individuals. Regular grooming is essential to maintain their silky, feathered coat. If you're seeking a lovable and adaptable furry friend that enjoys both cuddle sessions and a bit of playtime, the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel might be the perfect fit for your lifestyle. 2. Bulldog. Bulldogs, with their distinct wrinkled faces and muscular build, are known for their calm and gentle temperament. These medium-sized dogs have moderate exercise needs, usually requiring around 30 minutes to an hour of daily activity. Bulldogs are not known for their athleticism, and their laid-back nature makes them content with leisurely activities. Due to their distinctive pushed-in noses, it's important to avoid strenuous exercise in extreme temperatures. Bulldogs thrive on indoor coziness and are great for families or individuals looking for a loving and relaxed canine friend to share their home with. 1. Basset Hound. Basset Hounds, with their signature long ears and soulful eyes, are cherished for their easygoing nature and love for leisure. These dogs have moderate exercise needs, typically requiring around 30 to 60 minutes of daily activity. While they may not be marathon runners, they benefit from walks and playtime to keep them physically and mentally stimulated. Bassets are known for their exceptional sense of smell, so incorporating activities that engage their scent-tracking abilities can be both enjoyable and stimulating for them. However, it's essential to balance their exercise with rest, as Basset Hounds are notorious for their love of napping. There you have it, the top 12 laziest dog breeds for those who appreciate a good lounging session. Whether you're already sharing your space with one of these laid-back pals, or you're considering bringing one into your home, remember that regardless of your choice, daily exercise remains crucial to ensure your furry friend grows up to be healthy and happy. I hope we answered the questions you may have in mind through this video. So which of these dog breeds do you think is best suited for your home and why? Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. As always, if you enjoyed today's content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. To be notified when we upload new videos, make sure to click the notification bell button. Once again, this has been Doggy Pedia. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.